Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Sassy Dassy. Now with this video, this is just how to make the best, it's the all-time best, instant iced coffee at home. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using, but like I said, this is completely to your liking. You know, you can add how much you want. It's how you desire it. But I'm just going to show you kind of how I make it, and then you can add or take away or do different. But I just wanted to kind of share this with you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start with like a mason kind of cup, but normally I use my tumbler. Isn't that cute? Look at that, you guys. Surviving motherhood 1 cup at a time. Ain't that right? But for the mixing purposes, I'm gonna just show you with this cup, since it's clear and you can kind of see how things flow with each other, how the color, because it's all about how everything blends with each other that really kind of gives you that effect like this is about to be a bomb drink. Okay, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I just use just regular ice water. I don't add ice into my drinks because I feel that once the ice starts melting, it kind of waters down the drink and it takes away from the actual flavor and the consistency and everything. So I just usually just use ice water that I have in the refrigerator. I do vitamin D milk because I just like the richness and also the creaminess of milk that it adds to the drink. And I use Coffee Mate hazelnut creamer. Again, Coffee Mate has several different creamers that you can use, but this right here is my go-to for my iced coffee instant drink in the morning and in the evening, and just simply whenever I feel like I need me a little pick-me-up. Because you know what's really weird, you guys? I drink coffee before I go to bed. It calms me down. It just depends on the day. Like right now, it's kind of 8:12 in the morning, and I'm filming this for you guys, but in the evening, I want to say probably about 6:30, 7 o'clock, I do this again, and it actually makes me sleep like a breastfed baby. Okay, so starting off, and I use instant coffee. You can use regular brew coffee or whatever, but this coffee right here is pretty good if you're kind of on a time schedule. You won't have to like heat up your coffee and then put it in the refrigerator and let it kind of cool off. You can actually mix this right here in ice water or hot water, just depending on it. But for this tutorial, we're actually going to be doing it in ice water. This whole big thing was maybe like $2, and I'm telling you, this coffee right here is very potent. Like, I only use like maybe a little bit of this spoon right here to get me the flavoring that I want. But again, it depends on to your liking of how you want to, how strong or how mild or whatever, or how sweet you want to have your coffee. Okay, so starting off, we're going to add our water. And I'm going to do probably about half or so of a cup of my water. Alright, so now I'm going to go to my instant coffee. I'm going to do probably about a little bit under a spoonful. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to mix that in. But I feel like a barista. Sign me up, Starbucks. But I just mix it really good just to make sure all of the grounds or whatever are mixed up in my water. So I'm going to mix it for just like a couple more seconds just to make sure. And you can really tell that everything is kind of mixed up like it needs to be. Because if you stop, you have this froth on the top. You can see it right there. That lets you know that it's well mixed. Okay, so I'm going to put my spoon down. So now I'm going to add a little bit. I'm going to turn it to the side so you can see how it looks when it goes in. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Okay. And then I'm going to add a little bit of creamer. Now, like I said, all of this right here is to your liking. It's to your taste buds. Sometimes I have to mix it, add it, and then see if I really like it, and then just kind of go from there. I'm going to give you a little taste. Y'all, I'm telling you, this right here is the bee's knees. Look at that. Look at the color of it. It just looks so frothy, looks so good. And I don't have to worry about ice melting or making my drink watered down or anything like that. I don't even have to worry about anything like that because I use this ice water. But let's go over the ingredients again. Like I said, my ingredients are really, really kind of very straight to the point and everything. I have my instant coffee. I have my ice water, just a jug of water. I got this from the Dollar Tree, I believe. No, I got this from Dollar General, but this whole thing was $1. You just put that in the refrigerator, let it cool, and then just regular milk. I have this for my kids and their cereal. And then this thing of Coffee Mate, which, oh my gosh, y'all, I am at the very bare minimum, and I'm kind of sad because I definitely got to get some more. But all of these ingredients will give you this nice, frothy, iced coffee look. I have seen some people add a little of cinnamon on top, a little brown sugar on top, whipped cream. I have made this with whipped cream on top, and I have even added some chocolate syrup or even caramel syrup. Like I said, this right here is like, would normally cost you a good amount of money if you went out, but this right here is literally probably like something I made in my house. Okay, so it's free to me. I bought the ingredients, but I can reuse these ingredients all the time. But like I said, your heart is your desire. You can do as much, you can add as much stuff as you want. You can make this real fancy. I'm kind of down to earth type chick. I like my coffee kind of simple. I don't like a whole lot of hoopla in it most of the time. This is like my drink that I go to all the time and everything. But yes, comment below if you like this recipe. Share some of your ideas and everything. Comment below if you would like for me to do a more advanced type thing. Like I said, I have did more advanced type drink creations or coffee creations. I'm not a drink person, but like making my coffee and everything since I like it so much. But that's it, you guys. You have a wonderful, I'm going to move it to the camera. You have a wonderful iced coffee ready to go to start your day or to end your day or however you drink your coffee. And I thank you guys so much for watching my how-to video. I'm telling you, once you drink this, you're going to be hooked. And you're going to continue making it and adding your things to make it be yours and making it actually fit how you like it and everything. But I thank you guys so much. If you haven't already did so, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Sassy Dassy, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.